All right. So hi everyone. I am Aditya Raj Verma, and I am going to show you the 100xDevs assignment, that is week 8 paytm project. So I have made the paytm project, and I have made the paytm project, and the front end and the back end, they are totally complete. In this video, I'm just going to show you the front end, basically the UI thing, what is happening and what not, and how are the things functioning, and maybe I'll just explain it. And the back end part, I'll just be keeping it for the next video. So in the next video, I'll just explain the backend code. So here we go. I guess I guess my screen is still visible. Yeah, I'm getting recorded. All right, fine. So this is the UI, and my backend process and the front process, both the processes, they are running fine. Now when I move to this is the thing. I've just made the entire logic, right? I have written the entire logic regarding the UI part. The UI part is not that attractive. I haven't yet designed it. Obviously I can, using some CSS, or maybe I'll just use some tailwind library, I don't know. So later on it can just be done, but for the time being, i'm just concerned about, but for the time being, I'm just concerned about the logic. So yeah, let's move on. So this is the thing, and this is the, so yeah, if I refresh this, so I'm having nothing in the console, right? In the networks, I'm having nothing. So I'll just erase this one. I'll just erase this one as a whole. And in the application, I have this. So if I first enter my information, I have in the database. So let's select the database. So I guess the video does not exceed maybe 5 minutes, but still, let's see. It's already 2 minutes. So this is the database, and the paytm project. So I'm having, in the users part, I'm having this. So let's move on with this guy. So let's say this, I'm trying to sign up, right? I'm trying to sign up. So let us say I'm trying to sign up with this Verma first name, and then these are the same. When I'm trying to log in with this, so it would say that there's a particular entry which is already present. So when we see, look at this, if I try to sign up, you see there's an error in the console saying that the request is failed, right? And when I go to this response thing, data thing, you see user already exists, right? I have not implemented that functionality that it will present a toast in the UI or something like that. I can just implement it later on, but for the time being, it just displays the message that user already exists, right? So like, if I just remove this from the database, if I just remove this from the database, 950, and if I just delete the accounts portion, so this is deleted. Now if I try to just sign up, you see the Verma thing comes over here again, right? And then when you see over here in this, there's a particular token that gets generated in the console. I mean, in the local storage. I've just stored it in the local storage. Now let's move on to the next functionality. So these were the things. Now just let's move on to the next functionality. If I write dashboard over here, so you see, because I am logged in, I'm getting the responses of all these, right? So I'm logged in with Verma, right? I'm logged in with Verma. So the moment I try to send my money, let us say I try to send my money to Aditya, right? I try to send my money with to Aditya. So over here, I'll just search it. right? So it filters accordingly. So I want to send money to Aditya. So I'm trying to send money. Look at this, the amount that is being actually present over here. So this is 95D9. Aditya is 95D9. So Aditya is 95D9. Currently has 3095 rupees. And this is my ID, that is 6922. So this is 69 double. This one is the Aditya thing, that is 95D9. So this one is the Aditya thing, that is 95D9, which has a balance of 3095. And this one's me currently, that is 6922. So this is the account, that is 6922. I'm currently having a balance of 7646, right? So this one is needed to be taken care of, 3095 and 7646. Let us say I try to send 5000. Let us say I try to send 5000. So when I'll click initiate transfer, 5000 will get deducted from here and it will be left with 2646. So let's see what happens. So over here we see that this gets changed, 2646, right? This is changed, and here it increases. Here it increases by 5000, right? So it comes to 8095. Now let's see, let us say once more, if I try to just send rupees 500, right, and then initiate transfer, so we see that 8095 changes to 8595, right? This one changes. So we see that the transaction bit is completely fine. And here, as it was said that we need to send money, and then we need to like have this in the parameter, that is the ID that is being sent and the name of the user, complete name of the user, right? So this is the name of the name of, this is the ID that is being passed into the query, into the request.query, and this is the username and the username and the like complete username, basically the first name plus the last name that has been passed. So this is the function, this was the main functionality. Obviously I can just make it more attractive. Maybe I can just have tailwind, as I said, or css. I can do it in complete css. So this is the thing, this is just the thing that I wanted to show. And other than that, the stuffs that I am storing it inside the local storage. So yeah, this was the thing, this was just the logic that is being done. And when I will, in the later part, when I will try to dockerize this, I guess in the later part, this dockerization, this thing has been dockerized. So in the later part, when I'll just be dockerizing it, I'll just design it to look attractive. That's it. So for the time being, I've just pushed all the code into the to GitHub, and then we'll be sharing the link, or sharing the link wherever I'll be sharing this video. So yeah, thank you for watching.